Hi there, don't adjust your sets. I've got some really exciting news to share with you. Now, first of all, I'd like to thank you for watching the first 5 lessons of my videos here on YouTube. I really hope that you found them useful and easy to follow. Now, on to the big news. Today, I'm thrilled to announce the launch of my full-length Simply Spanish course. The course includes over 60 videos in total, with each lesson building on the previous one, just as you've seen so far watching the videos on YouTube. So, why should you sign up for my course then? Well, in my course, I help complete beginners like yourselves go from a feeling of confusion and being unsure about where to start with the Spanish language, all the way to gaining a clear understanding of how the Spanish language works. And this course, my course, is especially ideal for learners who want to learn how to master building sentences in Spanish. By the end of my course, you'll confidently construct grammatically correct sentences and hold conversations without the fear of making mistakes, enabling you to communicate effectively in a wide variety of everyday situations. If you sign up for my course, you'll also get lifetime access, and the course is available on computers, tablets and mobile phones, so you can learn anytime and anywhere. And just to mention that I'm a fully qualified language teacher. I've been living in South America for the last 5 years and I speak Spanish every day, so you can be confident that you're in good hands. So you've already seen the first 5 lessons of my course here on YouTube, but if you're still unsure about purchasing the full-length course, you can check out an additional 5 more videos for free here on YouTube. All you have to do is send me an email using the contact link in the description. So to take advantage then of my full-length Simply Spanish course, simply click the link in the description and sign up today. So once again, thanks so much for checking out my videos here on YouTube. I'm confident that my course will get you to where you want to be in speaking Spanish fluently. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to send me an email or leave me a comment on YouTube. I'll always get back to you. So, thanks very much for watching and I hope to see you on board soon.